Hey guys, did you finish the English homework?
Not yet. I got stuck on the writing part.
Really? I finished it last night. Do you want me to explain?
Yes, please. What did you write for the first question?
I wrote about my favorite hobby. It was easy.
Ah, that makes sense. I was thinking too hard.
Did you also answer the grammar exercises?
Yes, they were about past tense. Pretty simple.
Thanks. Now I know how to finish mine.
Same here. Let's help each other more often.
Great idea. Teamwork makes homework easier.
Hi, Sarah. Are you ready for today's flight?
Yes, Anna. What's our route again?
We're flying from New York to Los Angeles.
Got it. What's my duty for the first part of the flight?
You'll be serving drinks to the passengers in the back.
And you? What will you do?
I'll be in the front, greeting passengers and helping them find their seats.
Do we serve food before or after drinks?
After drinks, around 1 hour into the flight.
Okay. And do we have any special passengers today?
Yes, we have one elderly man who needs extra assistance.
I'll make sure to check on him often.
Perfect. Let's make this a smooth and happy flight.
Absolutely. Teamwork makes everything better.
Good morning, Sarah. How are you feeling today?
Honestly, I'm feeling a little nervous, Doctor.
That's completely normal. What worries you the most?
I'm afraid something might go wrong during the surgery.
I understand, but I assure you, we've done this procedure many times successfully.
That's a bit comforting. How long will the surgery take?
About 2 hours, and you'll be asleep the whole time.
Will I feel any pain afterward?
You may feel some discomfort, but we'll give you medicine to help with that.
Thank you, Doctor. I just want everything to be okay.
It will be, Sarah. You're in safe hands.
You're very kind. That means a lot.
Take a deep breath and relax. We'll take good care of you.
All right, I trust you. Thank you so much.
What are you eating?
I'm eating spicy noodles.
Are they very spicy?
Yes, my mouth is on fire.
Why do you eat them if they're so hot?
Because they taste so good.
Do you eat spicy food often?
Only when I do mukbang videos.
Excuse me, could you help me find the train station?
Of course. It's about a 10-minute walk from here.
Oh, brilliant. Could you tell me which way to go?
Just go straight ahead, then take the second left.
Second left. Got it. Will I see any signs along the way?
Yes, there's a big blue sign near the post office.
That's helpful. Is it close to the museum by any chance?
Yes, it's right behind the museum, actually.
Lovely. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Safe travels.
Hey, I heard my classmates say, "That's lit." What does it mean?
Oh, it means something is really cool or amazing.
So it's not about fire?
No, not real fire. It's just slang.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. If a concert is really fun, I can say, this concert is lit.
Oh, so it means exciting.
Exactly. Exciting or awesome.
Can I say, this food is lit?
Yes, if the food is really good, you can say that.
Wow, that's easy to use.
Yeah, people use it a lot in America.
Thank you for explaining. That's lit.
Perfect, you got it.
Hey, I heard someone say, I'm pumped. What does it mean?
It means they are very excited or really looking forward to something.
Oh, so it's like saying, I'm happy?
Kind of, but it's more about strong excitement.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. If I have a big soccer game tomorrow, I can say, I'm pumped for the game.
Ah, so it means you can't wait for it.
Exactly. You're full of energy and ready.
Can I say, I'm pumped for the weekend?
Yes, that's perfect.
Wow, that sounds fun to use.
Yeah, people say it a lot in America.
Thanks for teaching me. I'm pumped to use it.
Great job. You got it.
Do we need more bread for the week?
Yes, that's a good idea. Maybe you grab some whole wheat this time.
How about cereal? We're almost out at home.
Good point. Which one do you like best?
I like the honey cereal. It tastes great in the morning.
Okay, let's get that. Should we also buy some fruit?
Yes, apples and bananas would be perfect.
Can we also get some orange juice?
Sure, that sounds refreshing.
Wow. I can't believe I'm finally seeing you in person.
I know! It feels so unreal, but so amazing.
Did you have a long flight?
Yes, but it was worth every minute to be here with you.
I missed you more than words can say.
I missed you too. Can I hold your hand now?
Please do. I've been waiting for this moment.
Your smile looks even better in real life.
And you're even more beautiful than on video calls.
Thank you. I'm so happy we're finally together.
Emma, can you pass me the wrench, please?
Sure, but are you sure you know what you're doing?
Of course. I watched a video about this last night.
Oh no, that doesn't sound very safe.
Don't worry, I'm almost done. Just a few more turns.
Well, if it breaks, we'll just call a mechanic.
You have no faith in my skills, do you?
I do. I just like teasing you.
All right, then you can clean the car later as a reward.
Deal, but only if you fix it first.
Hi, Linda. What are you planting today?
Hi, Mike. I'm planting tomatoes. What about you?
I'm planting carrots. Do you grow vegetables every year?
Yes, I do. I love gardening. Is this your first time?
Yes, it is. Do you have any tips for a beginner?
Sure. Water your plants early in the morning. How big is your garden?
It's small, just behind my house. Do you use any fertilizer?
Yes, I use organic compost. Do you grow flowers too?
Not yet, but I want to try. What flowers do you recommend?
Try marigolds. They're easy to grow and very colorful.
Hey, it's raining really hard. Do you have your car today?
Yeah, I brought my car. Do you need a ride home?
That would be great, thank you. I forgot my umbrella.
No problem. Where do you live?
I live near Maple Street, just 10 minutes away.
Perfect. It's on my way home.
Awesome. I'll help pay for gas if you want.
Don't worry about it. It's just a short drive.
Thanks. You're really kind.
Anytime. That's what friends are for.
Excuse me, is this train going to Riverdale?
Oh no! This train is heading to Brookfield.
Oh no, I think I got on the wrong train.
It happens. Where did you want to go exactly?
I need to get to Riverdale by 3 p.m.
You can get off at the next station and change trains.
Thank you. Do you know how long it takes to get there?
From here, maybe about 25 minutes with the right train.
I hope I can still make it.
Don't worry, you'll be fine. Good luck.
Good afternoon. Do you have your boarding pass and ID?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Please place your bag on the belt.
Should I take off my shoes?
Yes, shoes, belts, and anything metal, please.
Okay. Do I need to take out my laptop?
Yes, please put it in a separate tray.
All done. Can I walk through now?
Yes, go ahead. Thank you for your cooperation.
Thank you. Have a nice day.